Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dandelion wine. First, gather about 1 gallon of fresh dandelion petals. It's crucial to remove all green parts to prevent bitterness. Make sure your dandelions come from an area free of pesticides and pollution. The best time to pick them is on a sunny afternoon when the flowers are fully open. This ensures maximum flavor for your homemade wine. Next, prepare your must. Boil 1 gallon of water with 3 pounds of sugar, along with the zest and juice of 2 oranges and 2 lemons. Pour this hot mixture over your dandelion petals and let it steep for 2 days, stirring occasionally. After it cools to about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, add your wine yeast and yeast nutrient. This starts the crucial fermentation process. Now let the magic happen. Ferment the mixture in a primary fermenter with an airlock for about 5 to 7 days. Once active fermentation slows, transfer the wine to a clean carboy, leaving sediment behind. This process is called racking. Allow the wine to age for at least 6 months or even longer to develop its full, complex flavor profile. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious dandelion wine. Carefully siphon the clear wine into sterilized bottles, leaving any remaining sediment behind. Seal them tightly with corks or screw caps. Your patience will be rewarded with a unique, delightful beverage. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.